Hey, ó ti búgbẹ̀kẹ́ torí Ọlọ́run. After Anidibia don fast and pray for 40 days and 40 nights, all the concubine when he surround Tu Baba, he don't pursue all of them. She come become the queen of Tu Baba life. Then one woman just come from nowhere, they talk saying we get eye for Tu Baba, saying be the cut eye for Tu Baba. Who be this woman? Make we find out. Hello, my wonderful kings and queens. You welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lady G. In case today now your first time when you come across this my channel, you never subscribe. I beg make you not forget to subscribe. You go see the notification bell for near that place when they write subscribe. Put just click on anytime when I upload new video. Now you will be the first person who will just get message. With that one, I know if they miss my JC. Yes, the matter when I bring come today now about Mercy Aigbe and Tu Baba. Who be Mercy Aigbe? Mercy Aigbe now one of Nigerian Nollywood actress. She be producer, she be director. She dey do some kind business like boutique, fashion and other things. She be 42 years old, 1978. Now they born her, papa na Benin and mama na Yoruba. So she dey mostly dey ask for all this in Yoruba. So what he make him matter and Tu Baba, which is Two-Face, come up today be say he get this man what they call Gbenga Ainde. So this man they present many things. He host people, they do live video. So this particular day now he can say he won host Mercy Aigbe as a special guest of honor. So as Mercy Aigbe come take as honor, as she dey come the studio, like this man, this Gbenga come play this music when they call you Am I African Queen. I still remember that music now when Tu Baba and Yvonne Jegede and even this wife and all of them they show for the music that time. So he come play that music, take honor this Mercy Aigbe. As Mercy Aigbe just hear, now he talks, I see just hear this music now, waiting there for him mind, say she go just talk and come out and say, that music just make her remember Tu Baba. Say Tu Baba, which is Two-Face himself, say she won't be Mercy Aigbe. Say she don't get eye for Tu Baba body, say Tu Baba na him crush. Only say Tu Baba no quick understand. Even do one to the extent say when it be say, she the Mercy Aigbe, if she dey sleep, she dey dream, they see Tu Baba, they see Tu Baba face. My people, this matter is serious. So person husband. As she can't talk and finish, she not finish for there. She can't tell this Gbenga tell and say, I beg not let you hear here. This thing when I tell you say now secret now. Both of us, I don't want to make anybody hear. No now. Something when it be say one person don't hear, not be secret again now. Something when it be say don't enter social media, not be secret again. And this one, not be her first time when she dey come out, they make statement like that. She don't first wish this Tu Baba happy birthday. You can't write am for message. You can't send out to her. Make I read the message to her when he write to Tu Baba before. You can't say happy birthday to a living legend, my before crush. I stopped crushing since he married my sis. Imagine for you to make that kind of statement to person husband, and this one a man when you know say he don't crawl well before. Many people know say this man he don't waka well. If to say na the time when Two-Face be Two-Face, if to say na the time when Two-Face be Two-Face, it just make you just leave some things, make you let the sleepy dog lie. That word when you talk, if for mark am, if for mark register, I don't understand. I don't understand where they talk now. So you making that statement to somebody else's husband, then this Annie will come here now. You come tell me say he might go relax. She no go worry. That is, he no go cause problem. Because I hear when they take and make parable say waiting here not here, belle not the verse. You no be married woman again. Tu Baba na married man. He get wife, he get children. For you making this statement, and we know say this one a man will be say he don't flex well with women before. So which drama you they try to create for their house? Which drama? Even though say he think that kind of thing, no will keep on to himself safe. Moreover, apart from that one self, this Mercy Aigbe, when he married this his husband before they come break up, I think that kind 2013 or so, when he break up from his husband, say husband won't buy and then he run come out. This man saying they get that problem because say this Mercy Aigbe say she be like person when they get eye for another person body for her side, and she they do small ashara. I don't understand where for the talk now. So she can't talk say na lie, but for she can't make all this kind of statement now. People when you don't read that news before, waiting they will come think. At least not be everything one person might think, not be the come out for a mouth, especially when you know say these people they are couples. If you want to say people when be say that they happily married, one of the celebrities when they still they happily married for that Nigeria, apart from say Tu Baba don't work out before well. You go count Tu Baba and the wife and they be a journal. So why this woman they make this kind of statement when you know say this thing is this one are expensive? Whether a joke I'll call her, whether she mean now or whether she no mean now, or she just say me talk, I don't know. When you know say definitely this thing will cause problem. Okay, if she were to be in an issue and another woman come make this statement to her husband, which trust and waiting in what they think about that woman? Annie, How many times did I call you? Tie your belt well, tight your wrapper well. You don't hear the signal. They say stone one person see, they blind the eye, because they say na play. Na any person take dey enter inside stage for dance. Because this kind of statement when she talk now, this Agbe, maybe she really mean her, we don't know. So this one na signal, this one na warning to you, and I pray make it not bring problem come your matrimonial home. So my people, I don't know how una see the matter na the way I just say and the message when I see when e dey ground now, na the message I just see pass to now. So anything when say you think for the matter, anything when you want add join, just leave your comment below at the comment section. My people, now here I go roll up my video today. Now here now I go round up, and I hope to come your way soonest, and time not too far from now. And I beg, if you never subscribe to this my channel, I beg make you not forget to subscribe as they watch this video finish now. And for those of now when you don't subscribe before, I appreciate you now. God will bless you now, and thank you now. I really appreciate you now. So my people, hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.